The Hardness to Tensile Strength Converter calculates approximate tensile strength values from material hardness measurements. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a Hardness Scale drop-down menu with 3 options: Brinell HB, Rockwell C HRC, and Vickers HV. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Brinell HB. Next is the Unit System drop-down, which offers metric in MPa or imperial in PSI. I'll use metric. The main input field is labeled Brinell Hardness HB, where you enter your hardness value. Now for a worked example, I'll enter 10 in the Brinell Hardness HB field and click Calculate Tensile Strength. The calculator returns 2 results. First, it confirms the Brinell Hardness HB as 10.0. Second, it shows another Brinell Hardness HB value of 34.5 MPa. This second value represents the estimated tensile strength in megapascals, converted from the hardness measurement. This conversion provides a quick approximation of material strength without conducting a full tensile test. Remember, these conversions are approximations based on empirical relationships between hardness and tensile strength. Find the link in the description below.